So I woke up this morning and I have half a bottle of flat champagne from last night, New Year's Eve. I'm thinking a lot of moms or parents probably have the half a bottle that they opened. So I'm going to show you make the most delicious, fastest New Year's Day meal. I have some frozen chicken I put in a bag. I'm going to take my shot glass from last night also. Rosemary, and I have about a half a teaspoon of kosher salt in there. I'm going to pop that in there. And then I'm going to pour, pour the champagne in. I'm going to put this to marinate in my refrigerator. It'll sit in there for a day or maybe two. And then you take it out, pop it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. And you have delicious champagne rosemary chicken. It's amazing.